This is Ron with Mulholland Brand. I want to show you a project we just finalized today here in LA. We did some of our special aluminum gates here. We have a beautiful pedestrian door with a nice entryway that really accentuate the entry to this house. Some perimeter fencing and a beautiful sliding gate. This works with our small but powerful Italian operator. So it's nice, quiet, and requires almost no maintenance. Very small footprint. Here's homeowner Josh. And Josh, what do you think of the crew and the project in general?
Project was smooth, the crew were great as well. Punctual, friendly, great service. Even put my mailbox that I bought from Home Depot on the entryway. I got no complaints, nothing but good things to say.
Beautiful. Thank you, Joshua, for choosing us and letting us help secure and beautify your home. And we'll see you shortly for the next project in the backyard, right?
There you go.
From Mulholland Brand in LA.